Hey guys, Jack here. Today I want to show you something. I've seen a few big YouTubers doing this thing where they like take a vacuum and vacuum their hair for a cool hairstyle. So I think we're gonna do that today with the help of our mom. So I'll see you there. And yeah, let's get on to the video. Oh my god. Yeah, just do that. Like, you gotta put it on my head, like, you have to put it in one spot on my head for a second. Like, pushing against me.
Did I mention the vacuum's not really working that well right now?
I don't know why I was scared. Quality videos. Quality. Vacuums being fixed and stuff. Alright, this should work now. Whoa, that's cool. That looks cool. Ooh, that looks so cool. I just want like all my hair to stand up. You'd make a great vacuum barber. Whoa. Oh my god. It kind of hurts, just a tiny bit. It looks like I have golden hair. My hair is so spiky. This feels so weird, but so cool at the same time.
You know what else will make it like this too, Jack?
What?
Hair gel.
Oh,
Dippity doo. That's what you need. You need some dippity doo, and you can gel your own hair.
Oh, that'd be cool. Whoa. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. It's like, whoa, my hair. I don't know if you guys can, I don't know if you guys can see that, but whoa. That is so cool. Thanks, Mom, for being a helpful mom. Yeah. Hey guys, I didn't see you there. Hope you enjoyed this video. That hair challenge was kind of cool. Kind of hurt a bit. I would recommend it. So subscribe and like for more crazy challenges, stuff, and vlogs. And I'll see you next time.